Okay, Adele. So what we're gonna do is we wanna put some tension through the muscles on the outside lateral gastroc. And the easiest way to do that is if you have something out, this could be a little book, it could be a little block, it could be anything that you can put your foot on that's maybe 2 to 3 inches tall. Try not to go much taller than that. And what's gonna happen, let's pretend the pain is in this area along the outside of the calf, top of the calf, back into the hamstring. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your toe on the top of that block, you're gonna press down into it, and you're gonna lower the heel. And then you're gonna take the foot off, toe on the block, press down into it, lower the heel. And so each time I'm starting in the up position and going down and controlling the motion. You're gonna repeat that exercise about 12 repetitions for 3 sets. You can do it in the morning, after lunch, and in the evening. 3 sets per episode, 3 times a day. I'll see you on the next video.